Well, back at you with the Spirit. I guess she found herself a gate. It looks like the Formula One version of an A320. I did not know we're doing Formula One on planes. Look at that badass. Just kidding. Ooh, something's going up. Well, she rocketed out of there. Ooh. And a United ERJ is coming over here to show off. A lot of these airplanes, because they know we're over here watching, some of them will actually come over here to show off and just see who's over here. Look at the truck. I've been here for about 5 hours now. I left a little early, and I figured I think every weekend I'm going to come do this. Or try to. Starting to get busy again. ERJ 175 JetBlue. And a ERJ 145 or 135 United. And here comes another 7. Man, it's hot out here, literally. .717 over there. 767-300 ER with wingtips. And they're coming over here. Like I said, they're probably coming over here to show off like they normally do. They do it to check people out. Ladies and gentlemen, a 777 just landed. Oh, here you go. CRJ 500. They do it to check everybody out. And guys, we got a 747 fixing to take off. The China. Oh, here comes the JetBlue. Beautiful bird. It ain't all about the bird, it's all about the bird. 777, probably from Tokyo, Japan. Look at that beast. Can you believe they're actually making a 779X? I don't know what this big old girl's waiting on, but I have a feeling I know what it is. Probably that 7-4 getting ready to get out of Atlanta. Probably. I don't know. Brilliant beast. It's really hot out here, ladies and gentlemen, but I'm doing this for you guys because you guys deserve this. I haven't done a video in a really long time, so why not? I wish... Sorry, I had to move my cord out. Well, hello. I think it's 777 LR. MD-80 getting off the ground. Let's put MD-80s all day long. You know, earlier, in one of my pictures, there was a 747-8 Cathay Pacific. Again, thank you, Cathay Pacific, for showing me the gratitude and the grateful of my very first 747-8IF. I saw a second one, a Cargo Lux, somewhere down there at the very end. Another 777. Crazy. Up there she goes. There goes the other 777. Like, come on, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Before the next plane goes, let's go, come on. Literally. Look at that. You know what? I never thought Delta would look good on a 777, but let me tell you, I'm gonna have to disagree. I'm gonna have to agree. You see, I'm actually in a cell phone area. You can stay here till 9 o'clock if you guys are ever interested in coming down here. And we're actually on the International T terminal. Big old fat engines. Those are GE90s, the second biggest engine in the world. The 77200 is actually one of the biggest airplanes in the world, and one of the flying furthest. And here comes a car. And this is really starting to piss me off. See that? Still see that big hotel. Oh no, don't come over here. Please, 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 please. Dickhead. Thanks for ruining my view. I appreciate you. About. I am video cameraing you. You're good. You're good. Guy was respectful enough to back on up. Up. A321. Boom! That guy roared out. I'm waiting for the 747 China thing to take off, but I think it's in line. I think it's in line. I don't know. It's about 80 dammits outside. It took me about 3 hours and 10 minutes to get here, so not that bad. Sometimes when it gets real quiet, you wonder if a big airplane's gonna come on down. I bet it's about like 90 dammits here. Yep, there you go. You can feel that rumbling in my chest, dude. Oh my gosh. Woo! Wow. Alright guys, well I'll be getting back to you on another video here shortly. Thank you.